Seluruh dunia.
A video recorded by local farmers shows millions of locusts swamped plantations in Sumba, East Nusa Tenggara. Farmers have unique ways to repel the pest out of the cultivated area by using noise. Some would play music. The technique works as the grasshoppers were seen fly out of their land. Meanwhile, some farmers would use motorbikes to create noise. In a more traditional way, some other farmers would run around the field while shouting to scare away the insect pest.
Motor dibunyikan. Ya, ini.
Local government have also sprayed pesticide in several areas. However, they call on central government for further assistance. Saturday contributor reporting from Kupang, East Nusa Tenggara.